to NWA Market News. I'm Jason Maxwell, and this is your Benton County Market Update for January 8, 2013. With inventory down and interest rates still at record lows, now is the perfect time to be buying or selling a home in Northwest Arkansas. In 2012, we watched as interest rates continued to decrease and the number of homes being sold continued to increase to numbers that we quite frankly hadn't seen in years. This proved to be great news for many homeowners throughout Northwest Arkansas. It allowed many to sell and move closer to their dreams, who in previous years, quite frankly, were underwater and unable to sell. So let's go ahead and take a look and see what's going on in the Northwest Arkansas market as a whole. Right now, there's a total of 620 listings priced under $100,000, with 135 of those selling each month. That puts it at a 4.59 month supply for all of Northwest Arkansas. Properties priced between $100,000 and $250,000, we're seeing a 5.99 month supply with 1,528 listings on the market, 255 of which are selling each and every month. Now keep in mind, a perfect market is anything between 6 and 7 months. So anytime we have less than 6 months supply, we're starting to go into a seller's market. And anytime we have more than a 7-month supply, we're starting to be in a buyer's market. So properties priced between or under $250,000 in Northwest Arkansas are starting to lean to that seller's market. Now for properties priced between $250,000 and $500,000, we're at an 8.7 month supply. Or I'm sorry, an 8.07 month supply with 742 active listings and 92 of those selling each month. Properties priced over $500,000, while they're still selling, we're selling about 14 a month. There's 230 active listings on the market right now, bringing us to a 16.42 month supply. So for properties over $500,000, we are still in a buyer's market. Now let's take a look at Benton County by itself. Currently in Benton County we have 1,848 listings. 317 of those listings are selling every month, bringing us to a 5.83 month supply. So while we're just barely on the cusp of a seller's market, we're really close to that perfect market we like to see. Now in Benton County, the average property is selling for $185,180 at $79.88 a square foot. The average listing is being put on the market at $191,000 or $82.79 a square foot. So that list to sales price ratio is at 97%, meaning that properties are selling for 97% of what they're listed for. So that's a good indicator that there's much fewer short sales, REOs, and foreclosures on the market currently, as we are no longer seeing a large gap between the list price and the sales price of those properties. Currently in Benton County, we have an overall average of 146 days on market. Now, let's take a look at some individual cities in Benton County. Let's start with Bentonville and Centerton area. In the Bentonville and Centerton area, we currently have 433 listings, with 87 of those selling every month. That's only a 4.98 month supply in Bentonville and Centerton. So if you live in Bentonville or Centerton and are considering making a move, now is the perfect time to get your home listed and on the market while the inventory is still down. The average list price of properties in Bentonville and Centerton is $225,035, listing at $92.59 a square foot. The average sales price for homes in Bentonville and Centerton is $219,787 or $90.25 a square foot. That's a 98% list to sales price ratio, which is great. So we also see that here we only have a 126-day time on market on average. Now, keep in mind that's barely over 4 months. The days on market includes everything from the day it's listed all the way through the day it actually closes. So many of those properties are going under contract in less than 30 days. Now, in Bella Vista, we see 399 listings with 65 being sold each month. That's a 6.14 month market supply. The average list price for a home in Bella Vista, $151,764 at $73.10 per square foot. The average property is selling for $145,031 or $69.88 a square foot. That's a 96% list to sales price ratio. It's 161 days total time on market, or days on market. So as we can see, we've really seen a big shift in 2012 for a lot of properties starting to move. We've cleared off the foreclosures and the short sales, and now we're back to a very strong and healthy real estate market in Northwest Arkansas. The market confidence for Benton County in 2013 is predicted to continue to grow. So if you or someone you know is looking to buy or sell real estate in Northwest Arkansas, call me today, 479-202-1010, or email me at jason@WeSellNWA.com. You can also get online and check out all of Northwest Arkansas real estate listings at our website, www.WeSellNWA.com. Thank you for joining me. This has been another market update. I'm Jason Maxwell with Weichert Realtors, the Griffin Company, moving you towards your dreams.